Yeah, very good morning, man. So, very good morning to all of you. Right, students. So, now we discuss some basic questions in profit and loss, then we go ahead. Okay. Now, yes, please, we start with some basic questions. Here we go. Come on, student, please answer these questions. I hope that yes, you can easily answer this. Come on. Yes, make it fast. When selling price of an item is given, so let me suppose that when an article which is sold for 360 rupees, if a trader gets a profit of 20%, now the question is, what is the cost price? Come on man, come on, yes, please answer this question. By selling an article for 360 rupees, if trader loses 10%, what is the cost price? Come on, do it. I think now it is okay for you. I hope that now I think it is okay. Now students, now just listen to me. So by selling at 360, you must be getting a profit of 20%. So 360 is nothing but 120%. So by the way, because we are getting cost price, therefore cost price is equal to how much? Therefore your answer is 300. Yeah, very good, very good. Yes, 300 should be your answer. Well done, well done. Come on student, just look at that. By selling an article for 360 rupees, you can see that there is a loss of 10%. Could you see that? There is a loss of 10%. By selling an article for 360 rupees, you could able to get only 90% of what is invested. So when 360 is 90%, now we need to question what is 100%. Therefore your answer must be 400. Student, I think yes, I am clear to you. Look at this man. So for example, by selling an article for 990 rupees, a trader gets a profit of 10%. Okay, I am asking you to find the cost price. Right, okay. Now come on student. By selling an article for 990 rupees, a trader loses 10%. I ask you to find cost price. Come on, do it. So yes, by selling an article for 990 rupees, if a trader gets a profit of 10%, 990 should be equated to 110%, because by selling that, he gets his amount back plus a profit of 10%. Now we need to see what is the cost price. So in this case, cost price of the article is 900 rupees. Yeah, well done, well done. So if we could look at the next one, by selling an article for 990, a trader loses 10%, which means to say that 90% he could able to recover. Now let us question what is the cost price, and that particular item he bought it for 1100 rupees. So now this is the time that I must be giving you very important, I must be telling you very important point. Okay, now please completely focus man. I just want to tell you one thing, just look at this. Yesterday somebody asked me this question, therefore this clarification is particularly for that student who put this question to me. Now here we go. Student, now just listen to me. Here we go. Student, now please look at that. Yeah, just look at that. Student, now just look at that. Selling price of both the articles is 1980. Am I clear? Selling price of both the items is 1900 and clear. Okay, now just listen to me, just listen to me. I need your attention because somebody asked me this question, therefore I need to explain to you. Student, am I clear to you? 990 plus 990. So by selling both the articles, he got 1980. Am I clear to you? Come on student, am I clear to you? Do you understand what is 1980? Do you understand what is 1980? That was the selling price of two articles. That was the selling price of two articles. I hope you understand my point. So selling price of two articles is 1980, 990 plus 990. Tell me student, what is the cost price of both the articles? 900 plus 1100, 2000. 2000 is the cost price of both the articles. Please say, am I clear to you or not? Please say, am I clear to you or not? Come on, please respond. Come on student, please respond. Do you understand 1980 is the cost selling price of both the articles, and 2000 rupees is the cost price of both the articles. Come on student, please say yes or no. Because both the articles are 900, 1100, you know. Now, tell me student, you bought it for 2000 and when you are selling it for, yeah, very good. When you are selling it for 990, obviously you must be losing 20 rupees. Isn't it? Difference is 20 rupees. Now the loss percent is given by the formula loss by cost price into 100. Student, do you see man, there is a loss of 1%. There is a loss of 1%. I hope you understand this, because the selling price of both the items is 1980 and cost price is 2000. Therefore, there is a loss of 1%. Student, do you understand that? Now, please look at that. This how we discuss, you know, when selling price of both the items is the same, when selling price of both the items is the same, profit and loss percent are also same. What I told you, my dear students, there is always loss. You remember that? What I told you? When selling price of both the items is the same, for example, if both the items are sold for 990, I hope you understand this, and profit percent and loss percent are also same, there is always loss. The net loss percent is equal to profit percent into loss percent by 100, 1%. Somebody asked me this question, man. Yeah. I think yes, we can move on to the next one. Now here we go, man. Come on, man. Now please answer these questions. Let me see how you answer this one. Okay. Please answer. Question number 1. Okay. Now come on student. Please look at that. Answer this question student, please, you can do that. 10% of cost price is equal to 10% of cost price is equal to, for example, 8% of selling price. Tell me, in this transaction whether you get profit or loss. If you get, then how much it is? Yeah, student, what we discuss, when percentages are in the ratio 10%, 8%, we can cancel 2. 5:4, when percentages are in the ratio 5:4, values will be in the ratio 4:5. Student, do you understand that? Yeah, very good, very good. Do you understand that? Do you understand? When percentages are in the ratio 5:4, cost and selling prices will be in the ratio 4:5. Cost price is 4 rupees, selling price is 5, therefore you are getting more, which means to say that this is profit. This is profit. Tell me, what is the profit? 1 rupee is the profit. So profit percent formula, profit by cost price. We should always take cost price. Therefore, we declare that there is a 25% profit. So I hope you understand this. Okay, so I think we can get moving. Now we discuss another question. Now here we go. Come on student, please answer this question. Okay, now here we go. Cost price of 20 apples. Cost price of 20 apples is equal to selling price of 16 apples. Student, tell me. Cost price of 20 apples is equal to selling price of 16 apples. When this question is given, you are asking me how 25%? I tell you, yes, I tell you. Yeah, sure, I explain you. If the question is in reverse order, yeah, I tell you, I explain you. Wait for some time. Please answer this question. If the cost price of 20 apples is equal to selling price of 15, 16 apples, whether you get profit or loss, tell me. Sure, we discuss. We discuss. I'll come to that again. Tell me, student, whether you get profit or loss. If you get profit, tell me what is the profit. First of all, you must tell me whether it is profit or loss. Whether it is profit or loss. Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, very good, very good. Come on, doing. Come. Yes, I think you can do this. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, very well done. Student, now tell me, man, apples, this is 20 apples and these are 16. Number of apples are in the ratio 5:4. Am I clear to you? Number of apples are in the ratio 5:4. Because 20 and 16 we can cancel 4 in both the ways. So 4:5:4. When number of apples are in the ratio 5:4 and prices will be in the ratio 4:5. Student, I think, yes, I told you this earlier as well. Now, yes, you get it right. Cost price is less and selling price is more. Therefore, in this transaction, you must be getting profit. Because when selling price is more, obviously you get profit for sure. Tell me what is the profit you get? 1 rupee is the profit. So, profit percent 1/4 into 100. So, profit percent is given by the formula 25%. Student, do you understand? Do you understand why profit? Because the cost price is less, selling price is more. Obviously, this is profit. You understand how we get profit percent? Profit by CP. CP is 4. Therefore, 1/4 into 100. Therefore, profit percent is 25%. Very good, my dear students. Excellent. I appreciate that you are doing well. Somebody asked me, sir, if the question is in reverse order, do we get the same answer? Shall we check it out? Shall we? Come on, students. Somebody asked me, sir, if the question is in reverse order, whether we get the same answer or not. Okay, we check it out. Come on. Here we go. If the cost price of 16 apples, if the cost price of 16 apples is equal to selling price of 20 apples, tell me. Very good, very good. Yeah, you should, man, you should understand this one. You have to be. If the cost price of 16 apples is equal to selling price of 20 apples, tell me whether you get profit or loss. If it is, okay, you are asking me partnership in months. Okay, I do that, I do this. Sure. No problem, we discuss. So, we have very good, student. I understand your question, we discuss. Sure. Yeah, very good. It is the loss. It is a loss. Now, it is the point to say that what is the loss percent. Okay, you use what you said is right. It is the loss percent. You must tell me what is the loss percent. Student, now just listen to me. Here we go. Prices 16 and 20. So, student, 16 is to 20, 4 is to 5. When 16 and 20 are in the ratio 4:5, when prices are in the ratio 4:5, cost price and selling prices will be in the ratio 5:4. Student, do you understand that? So, you can easily understand that cost price is more, but when it comes to selling price, it is less. Yeah, very good. Now, it is a clear indication that you are going to lose. It is a loss. So, yes, in this transaction, we will be losing. Now, we need to check how much we will be losing. Student, tell me, 5 is the cost and 4 is the selling price. We must be losing 1 rupee. Now, the loss percent is given by the formula loss by CP into 100, and hence loss percent is 20%. Student, please let me know, am I clear to you or not? Okay. So, yes, so I understand that, yes, we are doing well. I think we can move on to next one. Right, right. So with your permission, as you say that yes, you are clear about this, then I will be moving to next question. Right. Okay, man. Now we discuss one more question. Yeah. This one is good. So these questions are all well done because already we discussed all these questions. Now we move on to next question, man. Now here we go. Here is the question. Come on, student. Please look at the question. Look at this question. Student, actually, as far as the concept we are actually discussing, so this comes under aptitude, as I told you that. But the problem with aptitude is, though the topic seems to be so simple, but unless you completely practice. Oh, okay, very good, very good. You said that it is very clear, therefore we can move on to next one. Some of you are asking me, sir, how long and how much time we will be having and how many questions are asked in exams. There is no such rule, but aptitude is a very important one. Definitely many questions come from this particular topic only. I have been repeatedly telling you. Whatever, student, just listen to me. Here is the question. Oranges are bought 11 for 10 rupees. Oranges are bought, just listen to me, man. Oranges are bought at 11 for 10 rupees. How many oranges he bought, man? He bought 11 oranges. He bought 11 oranges. For how many rupees? For 10 rupees. Okay. Now just tell me how many he is selling. Student, I think now board is clear, okay? Now I think board is clear now. Here we go. Oranges are bought at 11 for 10 rupees and they are sold. They are sold 10 for 11 rupees. Student, now please let me know. Student, now please comment whether we will get profit or loss. Tell me whether we are going to get profit or loss. Definitely profit. The reason for profit is you bought it for 10 rupees but you already got 11 rupees. So this is a clear profit. I think you understand this is a profit. But the only question is, what is the profit? Okay, what is the profit? Let me explain to you. So student, whenever this kind of questions are given, man, please do one thing. 10 into 10, 100. 10 into 10, 100. 11 into 11, 121. Do you understand what I did? I hope you understand this. 10 into 10, 100. 11 into 11, 121. Do you understand? We got two numbers. One is 100, another one is 121. Now just let me know that you said you are going to get the profit. When you are getting the profit, the necessary condition is cost price must be less, selling price must be more. I hope you understand this. In order to get profit, cost price must be less, selling price must be more. I hope you understand this. Therefore, between these two prices, 100 must be cost price, 121 must be selling price. Student, please let me know how could I able to decide 100 and 125 cost and selling prices. Please let me know why 100 is cost price. Please comment why 100 is cost price. Selling price must be more. Very good. So the difference between these two prices, this is selling price. The difference between these two prices is profit. So profit percent is given by the formula profit by cost price into 100. So we declare that profit percent is 21%. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Student, I really appreciate that you are getting into the topic so well. You are even giving the explanation. That's a very good move. It is an indication that yes, you are going to be very talented. Excellent. Yeah, very good, man. Very good, very good. Okay, now student, so I think you are clear about this. Please answer this question. Please answer this question. Very good. Because how oranges are bought, man? How oranges are bought? Bought at 5 for 4 rupees. 5 for 4 rupees. And how they are sold? They are sold at 4 for 5 rupees. At 4 for 5 rupees. So bought it for 4 and sold it for 5. They had bought it for 4 and sold it for 5. So obviously it is a profit. Obviously it is a profit. See, cost price is 4, selling price is 5, it is profit. Now we have to see how much is the profit percent. Yeah, technique. 4 into 4 16, 5 into 5 25. Student, do you understand? Do you understand? 4 into 4 16, 5 into 5 25. I think 9, it is not right. Now just look at that. So because you say there is a profit, cost price must be 16, selling price must be 25. Therefore you must be getting a profit of 9. But what you are asked to find? You are asked to find percent. Profit percent is 9 by 16 into 100. 4 you cancel for 25 times, 4 you cancel for 4 times, so 225 by 4, therefore your answer is, it is close to 56%. Yeah, why we cross multiply, I tell you student, I tell you, at the moment just do it and later on I will explain you. First you just do it like this, okay? I will definitely explain you why we are multiplying. So excellent, excellent. Profit percent is 56.25%. Very good student. We can close to take 56%, not an issue. How 9? How 9? Student, just see why 9? Difference. He bought it for 16 and sold it for 25. So what is the difference? 9 rupees is the difference. So that is the profit. That is the profit. 9 rupees is the profit difference. But you are asked to find profit percent. This is how we find it. Okay, man? Student, please respond. Am I clear to you? Please respond. If you say you are okay, I will give you one more question of the same model. Please respond. Am I clear to you? Come on, man, I am asking you. Please respond. Am I clear to you? If you think yes, I am clear, then I will be giving you one question. You will be able to answer. 9 is the difference between 16 and 25. Okay. So you say that yes, you are clear. People are, yeah, come on, what about the others? What about the other people? Good. So I think I can give you one more example of the same model. Right. Okay, man, very good. Now please answer this question. Please answer, there is no time limit. Try to answer and respond as quickly as possible. Student, tell me how apples are bought. Apples are bought, come on, at 20 for 25 rupees. He bought it for 25 rupees. What is the angle between the clock when the time is 6:30? Okay, student. Okay. Sure, I will do this. Students, so you are asking some of the questions. I understand that. Oh, sorry. I will explain you. Sure. Right. Yeah, of course. Almost I can see. I can read almost every message, but because already we have 600 messages, therefore some of the messages I may miss. I am sorry for that. Okay. So bought at 20 for 25 rupees, and they are sold at 25 for 20 rupees. Student, tell me, man, you bought it for 25, but you sold for 20. Oh, there is a loss. You bought it for 25, but you sold it for 20. So there is a loss. This is a loss. We understand this is a loss. Okay, now we need to know what is the loss percent. Let me tell you. 20 into 20, 400. 25 into 25, 625. Student, do you understand? Yes, student, yes, why not? Definitely. So student, do you understand why 400, why 625? Do you understand that? So multiplication, now you are very clear. Student, now this is one thing you must be very careful. You said you are losing. So when you are losing, when you lose, when the cost price is more, selling price is less. Do you know how can you decide 625 is the cost price? It is because cost price should be more, selling price must be less. Because you lose. When you lose, when you bought it for more price and sold it for less price, then only you lose. Therefore, there is a loss of 225. Difference of these two numbers. Loss percent is given by the formula loss by cost price into 100. 25 9 times, 25 25 times. Therefore 36% loss. Expecting me to discuss this question again? Okay. So we discuss this one. Here we go. Calculation comes in practice, student. Calculation, yes, it comes in practice. Yeah, just look at this, man. Just look at this. How the apples are bought. Tell me how the apples are bought. Apples are bought at 9 for 10 rupees. Apples are bought 9 for 10 rupees. You put 10 rupees to get 9. How apples are sold, man? Sold at 10 for 9 rupees. Now confirm. I understand that. You stopped at calculation, but calculations are important, man. It comes in practice. If you stop at calculation, it is not complete. You should be doing that as well. Okay, now please look at this. Some of the students are asking me to explain this again, therefore I am discussing this for again. Here we go. He bought it for 10 but sold for 9. So it is a loss. It is a loss. So we need to know how much is the loss. 10 into 10. 9 into 9. Yeah, very good. Excellent. Student, so I think now you are very clear why 100 and why 81. Now we need to decide which one is the cost and which is the selling price. I said there is a loss. When there is a loss, cost price must be more, selling price must be less. Therefore, there is a loss of 19. So, loss percent is given by the formula loss by 19%. Now we must be moving on to next question. Please look at that. Student, you see this. Please look at that. A dishonest trader claims that his selling price is equal to the cost price. So student, just look at that. A dishonest trader claims that his selling price is equal to the cost price, which means to say that he is selling the goods, at the cost price. Student, it is a loss for him, you know. Yes, when he is doing that, he is definitely incurring loss for sure. Then why he is doing that? How he is going to get the profit? Yes, he is going to get the profit by doing 900 grams per kg. Student, do you understand that? I hope you understand what is my point. So the point is, because he is selling at the cost price for sure, but how he is cheating his customers? He is cheating his customers by weighing only 900 grams per kg. Probably because you see, man, if at all, if the people of you, if some of the people go to any shop, if they claim that I am selling at the cost price, don't believe him, because every businessman has to make some profit. If he is not actually making any such, he must be misleading you somewhere. So how he is misleading, you know? Let me tell you that. Student, tell me how many grams he is weighing less? 100. By weighing how many? 900. So the profit percent is given by the formula 100 by 900 into 100. So 100 by 9, 11 times, 1 is the remainder, 11, 1 by 9%. This is your profit. Students, here these classes will be repeated for sure, and some of the questions you are asking me for which I don't have any answer. I don't know when your college is going to open, but try to learn this topic because as early as possible, because once your college opens, you will not be able to find this much of leisure time. I will explain this question once again, but this time with a different values. Student, yeah, sure, I'll explain this again. Student, now just look at this question. A dishonest trader, I tell you how I comes. Just look at this. Now I think you will get it right now. A dishonest trader sells his goods at the cost price. I bought for 100 rupee in the wholesale market. You come to my shop. I am selling it for 100 rupees. No, I must be doing some mischief. I must be doing some, what I can tell you, some kind of dishonest, some kind of cheating must be going on. Because I sold it for 100 rupees. So how I am cheating you, man? How I am cheating you? I am giving you only 100 grams in place of 1 kg. I am giving you only 100 grams in place of 1 kg. Tell me, student, how many grams I am getting? Do you understand why 200? Do you understand why 200? Because I am giving you only 800 to the customer. Therefore, how many grams I am getting for myself? I am getting 200 grams. Come on, man, do you understand? I am getting 200 grams. And how many grams I am giving to you? This is the quantity I am giving to you, and this is the quantity I am keeping for myself. So the profit percent is something like this. Therefore, that is 25% profit. Student, now please understand that. Please understand why this 200, man? Why this 200? 200 is the quantity I am getting for myself. I am the trader. You come to my shop. You ask me for 1 kg of rice. So see how I am cheating you. I am giving you 800 grams. I am giving you 800 grams. And I am keeping 200 grams. That is my profit. So profit percent 200 by 800 into 100. I hope you understand. Therefore, your answer is 25% profit. Come on, student, please let me know, am I clear to you? Student, just look at that. Just look at that. Just look at the question. Profit after selling a commodity for 425 is the same as the loss after selling it for 355. The question is, what is the cost price of the commodity? How 200 is arrived? So students are still asking me how 200 is arrived. Student, I think I need to repeat this again, because students are asking me how the 200 is arrived. Why 200? Okay, student, just look at this man, because some of the students are asking me why 200. Student, what I told you, I just made this change. You understand this? This is the change I made. So tell me, I am a dishonest trader. You come to my shop. You said that I want 1 kg. But what I did, I gave you only 800 grams. Therefore, I must be getting 200 grams. Because you asked me for 1 kg, but I gave you only 800. So tell me, what is my profit? Profit is 200. That is what 200 is. Commodity means something like rice, wheat, these are called commodities. Rice, wheat, sugar, these are called commodities. Okay? Okay, student. So I think now this is okay. From tomorrow onwards, we better look, we better go with some more questions. Probably we need to go ahead. Student, I don't know who teaches. I'm sorry. Yeah, right. Okay. Very good. So okay, students. So bye.